Hello, everybody, and welcome to part 2 of middle school math. Today we have ratios and rates. Let's start off with ratios. Ratios, they're kind of like fractions in a way, but also not really like fractions in a way. Let me explain. So, say Jimmy has 3 red apples and 2 green apples. That ratio is wrong color. That ratio is 3 to 2. Now, this ratio can be, you can say on this ratio, for every 3 green apples, there's 2, for every 3 red apples, there's 2 green apples. That can work. Or you can just say that there's 3 green apples and 2 red apples. Now, some people might see fractions as in 2 over 3, say there's 2 red apples out of the 3 green apples. Or, you can also say 3 over 5, or 2 over 5, since 3 plus 5 equals, 3 plus 2 equals 5, which is the total amount of apples, and 3, and red apples take up 3/5, while green apples take up 2/5. You can also use ratios to mark other things, and you can also do problems of them. So let's do a small little problem over here to the side. So let's say that Jimmy has 5 orange boxes and 3 blue boxes. What's the ratio of this? Pause the video and solve it for yourself. Okay, if you solved it, it should be 5 to 3. Because there's 5 over here and 3 over here. Next, we have rates, which kind of go with ratios. Rates, you could say, they're just ratios, but per something. So, you can say let's say 5 bags of popcorns per 1 person. 5 is the rate. Or you could say 25 miles per hour. That's the rate, 25. Rates are kind of like how much you can do for one. We can display rates using graphs. So let's say this is hours, and this is miles. On the street, let's say, Edinburgh. So I can mark this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make lines right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a bit messy, but we can basically draw a graph kind of like this. So if you see, the 0 is right here and 1 is right here. This graph is a bit not that good, so I'm going to scratch this graph. I'm going to draw a new one that might be a bit more clearer. And it's also going to be simpler. Same components, hours right here, miles right here. So, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. 1, and 2, and 3. So, for this, I'm going to make it go up to here. So, this says for every 1 mile, you could go two. For every 1 hour, you can go 2 miles. This is obviously pretty slow. But now let me draw another graph. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for this one, I'm going to draw 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Now I'm going to draw this so it goes like this. Now try to calculate what the rate is. This is hours and this is miles. Have you got the rate? Well, looking right here, you can see it crosses the 10 mark and it also crosses the 1 mark. So this is the place. So at this street, you can go 10 miles per hour. And that's it. I hope you learned something today, and I hope you have a great day. And I hope that you can share this with your friends if your friends need help on ratios and rates. But I'll see you guys all in the next lesson. Have a nice day. Peace out. Thank you.